Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you guys want to see how I got this quick and easy, and when I say easy, 5-minute hairstyle that you can quickly throw on, please stay tuned to the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Okay guys, so as you can see, this wig came from Fashion Hair. At least that's what the box says. But I ordered this wig from Amazon, and this is one of those wig caps per se. This is a synthetic wig, and this wig is like a 5-minute wig that you can just throw on. And as you can see, it's a curly type, kinky type wig, and it has the cap around it, and it does have a drawstring to pull it tight if you need to. But this wig is pretty much like you pretty much have a ponytail and you have a bang in the front. So that's what made me get this wig, because I was like, oh, this is pretty cute, so I just wanted to try it out. But again, this is a synthetic wig, and it's like a 5-minute style that you can quickly throw on, no matter what. You can just finish having a baby, or around the house cleaning, or you may have some guests coming over, and this little synthetic wig is the perfect wig that you can quickly throw on. Now, it only took me a second to put it on, and once I put it on, I just pretty much kind of fluffed the curls out a little bit, because it pretty much was a little stiff from, I'm guessing, being in the packaging. But that's all I did, was kind of fluffed it up a little bit, and I was done with this wig. But I did love the little headband that came with it. I love the colors in the headband wig, or the wig there. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. And I was pretty much done with this. And here is the finished look. Again, all I did was keep fluffing this out to kind of make it look fuller. But for is that, this is done. I just kind of wanted to bring you guys something affordable and easy, to put on. And bam, here you go. Definitely let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought of this 5-minute wig. Oh God, I need a lining. Whatever, let me know down in the description bar. Ooh, look at my kitchen. Oh God, I need to clean that up. But anyway, you guys, definitely let me know your thoughts on this 5-minute style, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.